How to make your Twitter account private. Hello everyone, it's Anna here to assist you today. So, without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to open your Twitter app, and then after that, you need to click on your profile that is on the top left corner of your screen. After clicking there, click on the options setting and support, and then click on settings and privacy. After clicking there, you can simply search for the option privacy and safety and click on that. Here you can see on the top the option audience and tagging. Click there, and here on the top you can see the application protect your post. So simply enabling that, you can make your Twitter account private. Now only your friends and families who you have mentioned in the list of your close friends can only see your Twitter accounts, posts or photos. So that's it for the video. Thanks for joining me. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got questions? Please leave in the comments down below. Signing off until next time. Thank you.